Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that the biggest financial bubble of our generation wasn't crypto, wasn't real estate, and wasn't even the stock market, but the very technology the entire world is obsessed with right now. Artificial intelligence. Yes, the same AI everyone is hyping, investing in, and betting their future on. Experts now say that nearly $10 trillion in AI investments could evaporate in the coming years, and today, we're digging into the real reasons behind that terrifying prediction. Welcome back to VibeVerse, where finance meets futuristic tech, and where smart, viral, daily content keeps you ahead of the world. If you enjoy mind-blowing facts, money hacks that actually work, and future predictions that hit hard, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe, join the VibeVerse family, and let's break down one of the biggest financial illusions in modern history, the AI bubble. Fact 1: the hype machine has gone out of control. Right now, AI is the golden keyword. Every company is trying to attach to itself. Even businesses with no actual AI product are rebranding to look futuristic. Startups with barely a prototype are raising millions simply because they claim to be AI-powered. The hype has pushed expectations far beyond what the technology can truly deliver today. This exact pattern played out during the dot-com bubble when companies added .com to their names just to inflate their value. The AI industry is currently repeating that history at a much bigger scale. Fact 2: AI costs are so high that most companies will collapse behind the shiny demos and mind-blowing announcements. AI companies are drowning in expenses. Training and running advanced AI models requires massive GPU clusters, enormous electricity consumption, and a constant flow of high-quality data. Many startups burn millions every month just to stay operational. They don't have sustainable revenue. They have temporary investor oxygen keeping them alive. The moment funding slows, these companies will collapse under their own financial weight. Fact 3: AI revenue isn't catching up fast enough. Investors expect AI companies to become profitable trillion-dollar giants instantly. But reality is far slower. Many AI products do not solve a profitable problem, do not have paying customers, or cannot scale without losing money. Instead of earning revenue, they rely heavily on investor funds. What we're seeing today is the hype usage period, where people are excited, but the business model is still unclear. Thousands of AI companies are burning cash faster than they make it, and most will run out of money before finding a working business model. Fact 4: the illusion of AI intelligentsia. A massive portion of the AI boom is based on misunderstanding how these systems work. Many users believe AI truly thinks, understands, and reasons like a human. But the truth is that most AI today is advanced pattern prediction. It imitates intelligence. It does not possess it. Once governments and investors understand the gap between perceived intelligence and actual capability, the financial correction will be unavoidable. The AI industry is currently being valued as if it has already reached full artificial general intelligence, even though it hasn't. Fact 5: fake and overhyped AI companies are everywhere because AI is trending. Thousands of companies are pretending to be AI-driven. Some simply use basic automation, outsource tasks to humans, or copy existing open-source models and claim innovation. There are companies claiming breakthroughs that don't exist and startups promising technology that is technically impossible. When investors eventually uncover how much of the current ecosystem is smoke and mirrors, the trust collapse will be huge, and funding will vanish almost overnight. Fact 6: governments are about to regulate everything. AI has exploded so rapidly that governments around the world are preparing massive regulations. These include stricter privacy laws, model licensing, ethical audits, dataset restrictions, and safety certifications. Each new rule increases costs, slows down innovation, and forces companies to meet expensive compliance standards. During the dot-com crash, regulation wiped out hundreds of internet startups. The AI crackdown will be even stronger and far more expensive. Fact 7: the global GPU shortage will destroy many startup-size. Power comes from GPUs, but the world doesn't have enough of them. Even trillion-dollar companies like Amazon and Google are struggling to secure high-end hardware. Startups with limited budgets are fighting for scraps. Without access to compute power, they simply cannot compete. Many companies will die, not because of bad ideas, but because they never got enough GPUs to even test their ideas properly. Fact 8: AI is evolving too fast for investors to keep up. One of the most ironic problems is that AI is improving so quickly that companies cannot hold on to their value. A model that costs $100 million to build today may become obsolete next month when a new, cheaper, more powerful model releases. Investors hate rapid depreciation, and the AI industry is full of it. Companies are pouring billions into models that are outdated within weeks. The financial losses caused by this speed alone could wipe out trillions of dollars in value. Fact 9: the public is losing trust faster than expect. People once viewed AI as a flawless miracle technology, but now they are noticing its imperfections, hallucinations, mistakes, privacy issues, and unreliable outputs. AI-generated scams, fake videos, and misinformation are damaging trust worldwide. And once users lose trust in a technology, its market value collapses. Public confidence is dropping at the exact moment when companies need it the most. Fact 10: only a few giants will survive the crash. Just like the dot-com crash left behind giants like Amazon and Google while crushing thousands of smaller players, the AI collapse will leave behind a handful of superpowers: OpenAI, Google DeepMind, NVIDIA, Microsoft, and a few others. These companies have the resources, hardware, data, and engineering talent to survive. But the rest of the industry, startups, will disappear, taking trillions in investor money with them. Conclusion: the AI revolution is real. The technology is powerful. The future is bright. But the money flowing into the industry is not based on reality, it's based on hype, hope, and unrealistic expectations. AI will absolutely change the world, but that doesn't mean every AI company will survive long enough to see that future. A massive correction is coming, and when it hits, billions, even trillions in value will disappear. But here at VibeVerse, we break down these trends before the rest of the world catches up. Stay sharp, stay informed, and stay ahead. If this video helped you understand the truth behind the AI bubble, hit like, comment, and subscribe for more smart, viral, daily content.